So we're using some Mod Podge to paint a rock, so it gives it that nice shiny look. And basically it's going to go on, going to be kind of white, and it's going to cover up your drawing or whatever, but the finished result is going to end up, that'll dry to kind of like a wet look. So it's a nice way to kind of seal your paintings or whatever. And this is just a Mod Podge, it's called. This is a matte finish, and I think you can get it in a glossy maybe for even a shinier look to it. So it's water-based glue, sealer, and finish. So it's pretty neat. You just basically paint it on like that. It's gonna look kind of, white, and then as it dries into like a clear coat like that, leaves kind of a shiny finish. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put a link to it in the description below on Amazon. And kind of a fun thing to do with the kids, and it's a good crafting tool all around. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.